Hello, Future JP. Today is July 5th and it's raining. Again. For the third time already. And mosquitoes. And whoa. That's what I'm talking about. Isn't that what you're talking about? That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully it stops before 1 o'clock so that we can go in the pool.
It's gonna be a lot cooler than it was.
Yeah. Oh. Jellystone's pretty nice. Same thing as my other campground, but
It'd be nice to have seats here.
it would be nice.
Like a nice bench or something.
Underneath this little thing, it's working perfectly for us. We don't have any problems. Look at that Yogi Theater right over there. Ah. Look at these. Look at these little buggers. I want burgers for dinner. I can't wait. I want burgers.
And sausages.
And sausages.
Cheese
burgers
sausages.
and sausages. Cheese? No, it's the one with the cheese in it?
Yeah, the cheese. Do you like the cheese? I'm guessing so.
Oh, cheese sausage is actually really, really good. Love cheese. Cheese sausage. Yeah, it's not even that bad at all. It's way less than the first time. Did you like Mom? No, that's a white truck over there, but that ain't your mom.
Mom went to the front.
Why? It's just a little water.
I say we could just go back to the site.
I say we could too. There's nothing wrong. Look at it. It's passing pretty fast.
Yeah, we should just go back to the site. Fine. It'll rain.
Yeah. It's like been non-stop rain though, that's the thing.
I've been having non-stop flies land on me. Some of those freaking things are biting me too.
Yeah, flies bite. Look on. Oh, look at my nails.
They're like big chomps out of me.
Look at those nails.
He's just gay, it's okay.
You and Sam in there freaking did that to me.
You let us. You're like, ooh, okay.
Oh, jeez, you're not supposed to actually do it. So now I'm gonna have like this for like a few little bit.
And then once it all chips off, we'll put on a new layer.
Nah, I can't have it.
We'll use my grad color on you.
This is your grad color, right?
Those are two different colors.
They're not. You put the same color on.
No.
You
The
put
one's
this.
a lighter coat. You see?
Oh, well, someone put them. No, Sam put this.
This one's a light coat than this
Sam
one.
put the same one on though.
Oh, this one's a thick.
Thicker.
Coat.
It's thicker.
Yeah.
Same color, right?
I think so. Yeah, we'll do that color on you.
I hate it. I keep on forgetting that I have like nail polish on, and I look at my hands and I go, oh.
It's even raining, actually.
It's raining. It's spitting.
No? Oh. Oh, okay.
Non-stop. Seriously. It's really bad. Like, you come out camping and you get some rain on. This is awesome footage for the vlog, eh? Hi, I want a Coke. I'm gonna go back to this site and get a Coke. Well, I'm gonna go now. If I can like turn it off this time. See ya tomorrow.